Right, on this little Fiat 500 Abarth, we will demonstrate the Vodafone security system we've just installed, along with the driver recognition. Pressing the factory lock button locks the doors as usual and switches on our aftermarket security. Difficult to see through the window there, but just to the left of the gear stick, underneath the electric window button, is the little red flashing light that tells us what the alarm's doing. And also up in the A-posts, we'll see when we get inside, there's a couple of ultrasonic movement sensors. So it's linked to doors, boot and bonnet and interior movement. Also the driver recognition, which is the card that you can see there on the driver's seat, that little card there, passenger seat, sorry. That card needs to be switched on and in the proximity of the vehicle for the system to disarm using the factory remote control. So as I've switched that card off now, just for demonstration purposes, so if I press the unlock button, you hear no beeps to say we've disarmed and we can get in the car. Now what's happening is, lock myself in the car here, the LED is now flashing fast to tell us that the security system is looking for the driver recognition, the ADR card, this little card here. The interior movement sensors, these ultrasonic movement sensors here, one on each A-post, and the door trigger has been deactivated for a short period while it looks for the card. In case you've forgotten the card and need to go indoors. There you go, it's not seen the card within 25 seconds, so it sounds the alarm. Now if I attempt to start the car, either before that 25 seconds or during that 25 seconds, the car will not start. And if I press the button, you'll see we can't turn the alarm off. So it has no effect. Locks the doors as you would expect it to, but will not turn the alarm off until we introduce the card. Now, switching the card on there allows the system to see the card. You'll see there's a little red flashing light in there that flashes every 3 seconds. So we know that card is turned on. It's difficult to see in the daylight, but it does flash every 3 seconds or so. There you go. Now, if with that card switched on, I can now use the key to arm the system. There you go, 2 beeps for arm. LED stays on for a short while before it starts flashing slowly to say it's activated. Now because the card's switched on and in the driver's pocket, for example, press the off button, unlock, and it switches our system off. So if somebody steals your key or clones your key, unless they've got the driver recognition card, this little kiddie here, the security system won't disarm, the car won't unimmobilise, makes lots of noise, draws lots of attention, flashes the indicators, etc. And if you're linked up to a tracking system, it will also generate a text message to give you a text notification that your alarm is sounding. There you go, good little way to protect your vehicle. Not just the Fiat 500 Abarth, but we do these on lots of vehicles, the RS Focus, Transit Customs, all sorts really. Give us a call and we can help secure your vehicle.